To get the best available deal for Namecheap, go to the link right here at the bottom of the screen, or just scroll down to the video description and click on the first link you find there. When you land on this page, click the orange Get Limited Offer button. This will take you to see the prices. If you choose monthly pricing, you can actually get your first month for free with EasyWP Starter, but you'll generally get a better price overall if you choose yearly pricing. For the absolute cheapest hosting, choose the Starter plan. Or if you want an included domain, a CDN, and higher site capacity, then I recommend selecting the Turbo plan. But just know that .com is not one of the domain extensions that you can get as a free domain with Turbo. To keep things simple for this tutorial, I'll go ahead and select the Starter plan. Here you can see everything that's included in the Starter plan, and there's a red X next to free domain name, which isn't a big deal because we can add a domain later. If you're happy with the plan you've selected, go ahead and click Checkout. Next, click the button to log in with Namecheap. If you already have a Namecheap account, you can log in here, or click the Sign Up button at the bottom. Enter your name and email, create a username, and a password. Then click Sign Up. Then click Allow so the EasyWP app can access your Namecheap info. Next up, select the payment method. You can use a credit card, a PayPal account, or even click Top Up Funds to pay with Bitcoin. I'll use PayPal. After you make a payment, you'll set up WordPress. Click Create a new website and then Continue. Next, give your website a name. Then click Continue. Here it'll prompt you to choose a domain. We'll add a custom domain later. For now, keep Domain from EasyWP selected and click Continue. You'll be prompted to select a theme, but we'll install a custom theme later, so click Skip Step. You'll also be prompted to choose plugins, and again, you can click Skip Step. You'll get a review page. Go ahead and click Continue. Next, your website will take a few minutes to set up. When it's done, you'll get a success message at the top of the page. Next, let's set up a custom domain for the website. Click the Manage button. You'll land on the management dashboard. If you purchased the Turbo plan or higher, you can redeem your free domain by clicking Add-ons, scrolling down to Integrations, and then clicking Redeem Offer under Namecheap Domain. Or if you chose a plan that doesn't include a domain, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Powered by Namecheap. This will open a new tab where you can buy a domain name. Type the domain name you're interested in. In my case, I want to see if mattsncwpsite.com is available. Then we'll click Search. Good news, that domain is available. When you find a domain you like, go ahead and click Add to Cart. Then in the bottom right, click Checkout. Here you can choose the length of time you want to register your domain for, and toggle the box on or off if you want to auto-renew once the initial registration period is up. Domain privacy is also toggled on by default, and I recommend keeping this because it's free for you and it helps protect your personal information online. Just make sure you don't toggle any boxes to enable web hosting because we've already purchased hosting. When everything looks good, go ahead and click Confirm Order. Then enter your contact information, and when you're done, click Continue. On the next page, you'll confirm your registrant contact, your administrative contact, and technical contact. Unless you need some special adjustments to this, you can just keep the user default account contact. Next, click Continue. Then make a payment for your domain using a credit card or PayPal. Again, I'll use PayPal. Go ahead and complete the payment. When the payment finishes processing, you'll get this survey. You can fill it out or just click the X to close it. Now that you've purchased a domain, you can close this tab and return to EasyWP. Then, next to Domain, click Change. Select your domain on Namecheap, click the dropdown, select your purchased domain, and then click Change. Excellent. Now the website is set up with your custom domain, and you can preview it by clicking the name of your domain up top. Here you can see the default content that gets created for every new site, and you can see that it's linked with our custom domain up top.